CNC, celebrating 20 years of distinction. Since 2006, the Commission on Nurse Certification has validated the skills of clinical nurse leaders throughout the United States and its territories. Currently, nearly 10,500 CNLs have earned CNC certification. This year, CNC celebrates 20 years of administering the CNL Certification Exam.
The CNC is the only certifying body of clinical nurse leaders. As such, the Commission has an in-depth understanding of the valuable impact and influence that CNLs have on healthcare delivery systems.
For more than 2 decades, CNC has elevated the role of the clinical nurse leader by promoting the CNL skill set, building awareness of the CNL's impact on healthcare delivery systems, and underscoring CNL influence across the healthcare continuum.
Our 20-year anniversary not only recognizes notable milestones in building the certification program, it also reminds us of the continued growth and significance of the CNL credential.
Launched by the Association of American Colleges of Nursing as an initiative in 2003 to develop and institutionalize the CNL skill set, CNC has built an impactful history, achieving major milestones along the way. In 2006, AACN establishes the Certification Advisory Board to oversee the advancement of the CNL skill set. Later, Jerry A. Milstead would be appointed chair of the board. AACN and the CAB administer a pilot of the CNL certification examination. 83 candidates passed the exam, establishing CNC's first cohort of certified CNLs. In 2007, the CAB is renamed Commission on Nurse Certification. CNC hires Tracy Lofty as its first certification director. The first official CNL certification examination is administered, and the number of certified CNLs increases to 379. In 2008, the CNC Board of Commissioners adopts bylaws establishing CNC as an autonomous arm of AACN. CNC launches online registration. AACN and CNC establish a memorandum of understanding. The pool of certified CNLs nearly doubles to 679. In 2009, CNC releases the CNL Self-Assessment as a study tool for exam candidates. The number of certified CNLs grows to 978. In 2010, CNC launches the Nurses Lounge to facilitate networking and information sharing among CNLs. The number of certified CNLs increases to 1,390. In 2011, the first CNL job task analysis study is completed by Schroeder Measurement Technologies in collaboration with CNC's Job Analysis Committee. Interest in CNL certification continues to grow as the number of certified CNLs increases to 1,908. In 2012, CNC and the Clinical Nurse Leader Association host the first CNL Research Symposium. CNC develops the Faculty Eligibility Waiver.
Validating CNL skill sets is more than an administrative mission. It's our goal to ensure that practicing CNLs adhere to high standards in terms of patient safety, efficiency, and team collaboration.
CNC partners with AACN to launch the CNL Vanguard Award, which is presented to Barbara Edwards, and the number of certified CNLs increases to 2,508. In 2014, CNC hires its second certification director, Chantel Hall. The CNL certification program is accredited by the National Commission for Certifying Agencies, and on March 19th, Certified CNL Day is observed for the first time. In 2015, CNC and AACN collaborate to launch the CNL Educator Vanguard Award, which is presented to Linda Roussel of the University of Alabama at Birmingham. The number of certified CNLs now stands at 4,501. In 2016, the CNL Ambassador Program is launched. By 2017, CNC launches DiscoverCNLs.org, to educate the healthcare community and employers on the value of certified CNLs. The pool of certified CNLs jumps to 6,199. In 2019, CNC provides certified CNLs with a digital CNL credential through its CNL badge program. From 2020 to 2022, the CNL Certification Program experiences steady growth. In 2020, certified CNLs increased to 8,553. In 2021, 8,907. And in 2022, 9,339. In 2023, Lynn Gardner replaces Chantel Hall as Director of the Commission on Nurse Certification. In 2024, CNLs continue to validate their skill set as the number of certified CNLs reached 9,830. In 2025, CNC launches the CNL Certification Mentor Program. In 2026, certified CNLs reaches a record 10,326. CNC launches a year-long celebration recognizing its 20th anniversary.
Whether you're a practicing CNL, a nurse in a non-traditional role utilizing the CNL skill set, a CNL educator, student, or prospective CNL students, we'd like to wish you a happy Certified CNL Day on behalf of the CNC Board of Commissioners.
To learn more about CNC and the CNL Certification Program, visit discovercnls.org.